So here we are in the cottage kitchen once again. I don't see anybody around. I see some ingredients over here. I see some flour and sugar and eggs and milk and, I wonder what we're making. Where is John? John.
Oh, John is here. Hi, hi.
There's
Hi,
John.
Cottage Cooking friends.
Hey, John.
Hi, Lisa.
So I was trying to figure out what you're making tonight.
Crepes.
Crepes. Well, it's Good Friday, so are we stuffing them with fish, or what are we stuffing them with?
Probably, I think we have like salmon in the fridge.
Smoked salmon.
Spinach. And that goes very, very well with crepes.
Fabulous. So tell me what we're doing.
We're gonna mix some flour, sugar, and salt, the dry ingredient together. Then the wet ingredient that's gonna be added to the dry one, and it's gonna be milk, water, 3 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. I will start with my flour. We need 1 cup of flour, which is exactly 120 grams of flour. So.
So you have a little
yeah.
scale there.
Let's be fancy, will you?
Let's
so
see.
I say 120, right? 120.
Yeah. Oh wow, that's perfect.
Okay.
Excellent.
To that, we're gonna put a little bit of sugar, like what about half of a teaspoon of sugar.
So you like grams better than ounces, huh?
I do. I'm a European.
Pourquoi?
Also, it's more precise, much more precise. You know, I never know with your cups and ounces and everything. I get lost in these things. Okay, very good. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Get a whisk. To that, we're going to add our melted butter, water, milk, and eggs. So I get my butter here already. It's already melted. Everything goes in. I said everything goes in. Come on, babe. Here we go. Good. Okay, 1/3 of a cup of water.
Does it have to be cold or warm? It doesn't really
Room
matter.
temperature is fine. Same thing with the milk. 1 cup of milk.
Now I know I've tried making crepes with 2% milk, and it's just not the same.
It's better the whole milk.
Might as well
I like it better.
go
That's
for
my
it.
personal preference. Alright, we get our eggs. Oh, okay. Come here.
3 eggs.
3 eggs. And that's it. 1, 2, 3. Garbage. And I'll get a whisk and mix everything together.
That's pretty
You can
good,
also, if you have one, you can also put the dough in a food processor and mix it with the food processor, which is just easier, but sometimes people don't have that.
Oh, but your
So-
whisking technique is so fabulous.
I know. I've learned that at Cottage Cooking.
Okay, so there's the batter, and it looks like it is ready to go in the pan. Is that right?
It is right.
All right.
Just want to put some butter in your pan.
And you like this grape pan?
I love it.
It's a good size.
I like it this way. Some butter.
Nice thin layer there. Swirl it around. Oh, look at that technique.
There we go.
Such style.
That's it.
Have you done this before?
Actually, it's my first time. Would you believe that?
No.
Okay, then I was lying. All right. When the butter is in the pan, try to unstick the edge first.
Looks like it's about ready to flip.
Let's do the flippy maneuver right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
Wow.
Then you get a crepe.
Beautiful. So that's called the flippy maneuver?
Flippy maneuver. All right. When your crepe is done, you want to put it in the oven at 170 degrees to keep it warm. And talking about temperature, your pan is to be very, very warm, hot all the time. If it's too cold, you're not going to have a good crepe.
So you usually want to do a little test first, right?
Well, you know, most of the first crepe you do is always a mess because your frying pan is too cold.
We have some delicious smoked salmon, a little balsamic vinegar from Italy, Modena, and some sauteed spinach and garlic, which is going to go into our crepes. Those look beautiful.
Yeah, thank you. Let's put them
So
together.
you would roll one with the salmon and the spinach
A
and
little
the
bit of
vinegar.
spinach first. Spinach and garlic, you cannot beat that. And some salmon. Yep. What about a little more for Lisa?
That looks a little skimpy.
Sorry about that. Here we
Much
go.
better.
Good. Good.
Little
Can I see?
drizzle of balsamic.
Definitely. That should do.
And
let's-
now you're going to
Right.
roll your crepe.
I'm just gonna go this way.
And we can put it on our plate here.
And bon appetit!
Thank you, John.
You're welcome. I hope you will like it.
I love being the taste tester at Cottage Cooking, and also occasionally the cook too. So let's see.
how is it?
I don't know yet. I'm guessing it's pretty good.
Doesn't look too bad.